Live with About Life, your boy Shane, aka Crypto Dragon, aka Mega Man, aka Art Boy. What's up, y'all? Already know what it is. Right now, I'm going to show y'all how to find NFTs. It was brought to my attention that some people don't know how to find NFTs. How do you find these NFT projects, man? We know where to go to communicate with them, but where do we find them? All right, so I'm going to show you how to find some Solana NFT projects, right? So this is my Twitter, right? You can follow me at the only Shane H, right? At the only Shane H. You're going to see Mega Man right here looking like this. You can see my guy looking right here, my little bleep punk. You feel me? Anyways, this is where you're going to find most of your projects, right? Well, this is where you're going to make your initial contact with your NFT projects, right? So, see, this is a crypto.com project coming up that I'm going to be messing with. It looks kind of dope. But anyways, for Solana, I'm going to show you how to navigate through Solana. So if you want to find a Solana NFT, right, you can go to solsniper.xyz, this page right up here, right? And you can create a watch list. But what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. It has most tracked NFTs. You see that? And it's going to give you a list down here of the most tracked NFTs. Basically, track that. Hold on, let me get rid of this thing over here. There you go. Yeah, it's going to give you a list of the most tracked NFTs. Basically, the NFTs that people are clicking on the most, right? And it'll give you the floor price, which is how much that they're going for. Right, these are all pretty low prices for Solana. That's good. These are good projects. You can go look at. Except this one down here, 3.4, which means 6 rings is kicking. Right, and it's going to show you the volume. Look at that, 217 volume. That means a lot of people are moving. They probably just started minting. Right, minting means they just started releasing. People can go buy the project. Right, so you can also go to price movers, which is solradar.io. This is a good one. I like solradar.io. It's going to show you same concept, but they're doing it on a whole nother scale. That's why the things aren't the same. But I think Deadly Skulls is on both. No. There we go. Okay, now they're not on both. But yeah, there's another one here. It shows you the average price, volume, listed. It shows you a lot of good stuff. Floor price. Deadly Skulls is kicking over here. So you can go look these up on Twitter, right? You can look these up on Twitter and see what the community is like. 'Cause you look up on Twitter and then you get into the Discord that way. So let's find one. Let's go with we'll go with Neo Dragoon. So we're gonna scroll up on my Twitter. Actually, where's the search joint? Right up. Let's see right over here. Let's see, what was it? It was Neo Dragoons. Neo Dragoons sold out. So they have sold out, and they posted on their Twitter that they sold out. Look at that, 50% royalties, man. All right, they didn't have a lot of followers on their Twitter, but their Discord must have been jumping. But they're saying you can now buy them secondhand on Marketplace. So that means people are reselling them after the initial purchase on the site, which means they probably got it for like one soul, maybe not even, but probably like $60, 0.5 soul. And then now they're selling it on Magic Eden for 0.9 soul. So we're looking at, if say they minted it for 0.5, they're selling it for 0.9. So they're making a good $30-40 with resale. Probably trying to get the floor price to jump up because the floor price is now 0.9, right? So as more keep getting bought and resold, the floor price will inevitably raise and you'll get more. But either way, when you find them on here, you can look for their Discord. You see right here, it says Discord. You can click on that, and then it's going to open up in your Discord down here. No, don't switch. It's going to open up in your Discord down here, and then you could join their community, and then you could start, interacting and gaining rank, and maybe try to get a whitelist, or just figure out when the mint days are going to be. Like Creamy Friends up here doesn't have a mint date. It's to be announced. They have 50 OG members, 681 whitelist. They don't have a total whitelist amount, right? So you don't know how much of their whitelist members they're going to have on their project. But you'll find that out soon enough. Things I got the supply, which is how many NFTs are going to be dropping. Some usually tell the supply. They be about 8,000, 3,500. They usually do that sometimes. Let me see if any of these projects are actually doing their supplies. Let's see, Doodleverse. No. They're not doing theirs neither. I know most of these. I know Loot Heroes is coming soon. I'm waiting for. Let me actually see. Loot Heroes. They have the 200 have been minted, which is their whitelist for a specific event. See, Loot Heroes is basically a gaming project that they're doing gaming and stuff like that. So they're going to be selling their heroes soon, which is what I'm waiting for. Right, I'm waiting for them to sell their heroes and see what's coming with that. But you can go through all. They have the official links here, so you can get to the official website. You see that official website right here? You got the Twitter, you got the Instagram. Chances are you're already gonna know their Twitter because that's usually how you find their Discord, right? Unless you get an invite from a community member that's already in Discord and they brought you to it, which that can happen sometimes do. But you got to be deep in Discord for something like that. You know what I mean? Sometimes they tell the marketplace if they already launched their project and they're looking for secondary buys, all that good stuff. I got all types of projects in here that be kicking, that be doing different things. You know what I'm saying? That I'm working with, and I'm waiting for things to drop, like Illuvium. That's gonna be a wicked project right there, man. That's an Ethereum platform project. They're gonna be kicking. You ain't gonna be doing much without. Probably gonna need 5 bands easy just to do something with the project, right? It's gonna be jumping pretty hard. Dog Only, they just dropped their dogs, which are kind of AR dogs, kind of like my AR horse. I don't know what the utility is gonna be like. I didn't buy one. I was iffy with it. I can't really see much utility unless they're gonna have like racing dogs or something. I don't know. You know, maybe dog resales. You train them, grow them, resell them, breed them, something like that. Maybe. You also got they're doing some stuff down here too. What is it? Heroes of Marvia. That's another play to earn game that I'm looking into. They're selling land right now. I'm not really messing with the land. It's private sales right now. They might drop some public. They drop some public sales. I might jump on it. I'm waiting for the heroes to mint. I want to get some heroes from them. Possibly get some land. I'm debating right now. When the land becomes public and I see what the price is like, then I'll see if I want to cop some or not. But yeah, this is just my Discord. These are just the projects that I'm messing with. You don't gotta do this, man. There's all types of stuff. But that's just a couple quick ways to look. And here's another marketplace you could look into too. Magic Eden on the Solana platform is amazing. Magic Eden and SoulSea are probably gonna be your number one choices. There's a couple other ones. There's Digital Art. There's what else is there? There's a couple of them. I'll get more into NFT exchanges later on. Like I'm saying, I'm just trying to do quick tutorials. But yeah, that's how you basically find one. You scope them out through one of these snipers, take a chance, see what the volatility is like, dive into the community, see if the community's jumping, see if it's popping, see if they take care of their people. Be very, very careful with jumping into NFT projects and buying NFT projects. Gotta be real careful out here, you know. Not all art is legit, man. There's a reason why there's fake art and there's something called rug pulls on people that is in it to get the money and then they pull the hell out and the project doesn't do shit. So you gotta be real careful, man, and really do your research. That's why I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as the only way. I'm just giving tiny little pieces of things you could do, tutorials, ways to do things. Don't sit here and be like, hey, Shane told me to buy this. I didn't tell you to buy shit. I ain't telling anybody to buy nothing. I am not a financial advisor, right? I might from time to time say what I would do, but that's me. I don't think you should follow me if you're not informed. Don't come and do what I'm doing if you're not informed. Really do your own research, man. Dior, do your own research. Seriously, take it serious. Take the time. If you really want to make money in something, you got to understand what the market's like and understand what it's like if you really want to make money in the platform. Don't just think you're going to jump in here without knowing shit and make money. You know, really do Dior and do your own research, man. Look into stuff. But Soul Sniper and Soul Radar, you got Magic Eden, you got SoulSea, and you got Twitter. These are gonna be your best friends when it comes to NFTs, all right? But I love each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. This is about life. Subscribe, like, follow, share, all that good stuff. And look me up on all the social media platforms if you need some help. I got you whatever I can, all right? We out. Bye.